Good morning. All right, I am recording a very short video today because it's a very simple activity that you have. You're going to be working on your project too. So let me show you what you're doing. You are going to talk about los jeroglíficos. And I say it in Spanish because it's really difficult to pronounce it in English. So jeroglíficos mayas, the Mayan, this word. So there's a brief introduction, and then you're going to work on a slide, a Google slide, and you're going to create a presentation. I wrote here first slide, second slide, third slide, and the last slide. Okay, because and I didn't put fourth slide because you can use more than four. You need. And I put the points that I'm giving you for each one of those things that you're gonna do, and then you're gonna submit it. You already know how to submit, but if you don't, you can always go to the frequent asked questions module that I have on the homepage right here, frequent asked questions, and you have how do I submit my screenshot, how do I make a Google slide, how do I make it, so you can get these very short videos there that can help you. All right, that's all that I had for today. So if you have questions, I'll be connected during the class, and you can contact me if you have any questions. I'll see you.